Hey guys, it's Phil. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Thit Heo Quay, which is roasted pork belly with a crispy skin. So let's get started. After preheating the oven to 400 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and start with the seasoning. I have hoisin sauce, chicken stock, 5-spice powder, garlic powder, some sugar, salt, black and white pepper. We're gonna go ahead and put it in here. After mixing the seasoning well, we have a second mixture of vinegar and salt. And now we're gonna go ahead and slice the pork so that we can push the seasoning deep into the meat. And you don't want to slice all the way, just halfway. Using a paper towel, go ahead and pat the skin dry. Make sure there's no moisture. And now with the mixture of salt and vinegar, go ahead and spread it on the skin. I have the pork on this rack with the tray underneath, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven on the second to highest rack. After cooking the pork for 1 hour, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on broil until the skin gets crispy. Turn on broil, and we're gonna broil it for around 5 to 10 minutes until the skin's crispy. After broiling for 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and let it set before slicing. Give it a try. Super fun. Okay, that's it guys. We finished the Thit Heo Quay. It was a quick and easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you like more videos like this, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next